Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to EVS Home School. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, morning shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class 1, and our today's topic is, my dear students, our today's topic is FB, that means fill in the blanks, and today is our lecture number 3 and SW number 3. Inshallah, my dear students, today we will learn 4 fill in the blanks. My dear students, in our previous class we have learned 10 fill in the blanks, and today we will learn 4 fill in the blanks. That means total for our annual examination we will learn total 14 fill in the blanks. So my dear students, let's start at first look at the board. My dear students, our today's topic is, you know, that fill in the blanks. Here I have written 4 fill in the blanks from 11 to 14. So my dear students, let's solve. My dear students, our 11 number fill in the blanks is, we should dash our teachers. We should dash our teachers. What will be the answer? Yes, my dear students, we know that we should respect our teachers. In this regard, our answer will be respect. So now I am writing the answer, respect. We should respect, R-E-S-P-E-C-T, respect. We should respect our teachers. So our answer will be respect. Now my dear students, our 12th number fill in the blanks is, to speak the truth is a great dash. To speak the truth is a great dash. What will be the answer, my dear students? Yes, you know that speaking the truth is a great virtue. So my dear students, in this regard our answer will be virtue. V-V-I-R-T-U-E, virtue. So our answer will be, to speak the truth is a great dash. Answer will be virtue. Now my dear students, number 13, salat is the most important dash. What will be the answer? Yes, my dear students, you know that salat is the most important ibadat. In this regard our answer will be ibadat. Now I am writing the answer, ibadat, E-B-A-D-A-T, ibadat. So our answer will be ibadat. Salat is the most important ibadat. Here answer will be ibadat. Now my dear students, last one, number 14. We should dash our nails once a week. We should dash our nails once a week. What will be the answer, my dear students? Yes, our answer will be trim, because in every week we should trim our nails. In this regard our answer will be trim. T-R-I-M, trim. We should trim our nails once a week. So my dear students, in this regard our answer will be trim. So my dear students, alhamdulillah, we have learned today fill in the blanks from 11 to 14. So I am repeating the answer again. In the 11 number, answer will be respect. Number 12, answer will be virtue. Number 13, answer will be ibadat. And number 14, answer will be trim. T-R-I-M, trim. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. I hope that you have understood our today's topic very clearly. And my dear students, you will learn this 4 fill in the blanks at your home very carefully. And also, in our previous class 10 fill in the blanks, total 14 fill in the blanks you will learn, you will memorize very carefully at your home, my dear students. And you will make SW at your home as SW number 3, FB fill in the blanks from 11 to 14. You will make SW at your home these 4 fill in the blanks, SW number 3, FB from 11 to 14. Okay, my dear students, that's all for today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.